Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which physical port your Mac has and what the monitor accepts. This avoids buying the wrong adapter. Once done, choose adapters that support the monitor's resolution and refresh rate. For gaming, prefer DisplayPort over HDMI when possible. Make sure the monitor is powered and on its correct input so the Mac senses a display. Plug the adapter into your Mac, then the cable to the monitor. You're ready to move on to settings and detection. Once the physical connection is active, open System Settings and go to Displays to let macOS detect the monitor. If it doesn't appear, press Option while clicking Detect Displays. This forces scanning. Next, set the monitor to its native resolution and, if listed, the highest refresh rate the adapter supports. This matters for smooth gameplay. Decide whether to mirror or extend your desktop and arrange displays so the cursor moves naturally between screens, and make any color profile adjustments if needed. Finish by running a quick video or game to verify resolution and refresh rate remain stable under load. This confirms bandwidth is sufficient. If you see no picture, swap the cable or adapter, reboot the Mac and monitor, and recheck input selection. Many issues are simple resets. If frame tearing, flicker, or capped refresh persists, ensure your adapter explicitly supports the monitor's target spec. When troubleshooting, prefer DisplayPort adapters for high refresh rates and consult monitor on-screen menus to confirm active settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.